Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Regarding the assets, we will go to the assets and discuss what is the problem. Okay. This is data imported, but if you notice, the dates are wrong. Okay. 1900, 1800. This is all dates are wrong. We have two solutions. The first is to modify it manually, but this solution is very difficult. Check the first record, for example. Okay, then click edit. Expiry date, probe expiry. It's very difficult to change the dates manually. One by one, it's very difficult. I made it 1902. Okay, we'll save it like this. Again, to make sure. Okay, it's already saved. There is no problem to change from here and save, but it will take a lot of time. What is the best solution? Okay, the best solution is to prepare an Excel file in a proper way. Let us see the Excel file. This is what you send, but it is not suitable to be imported from the program. For example, we cannot have one column with name and down it has another name. This is not acceptable. This is, I have sent this format for you. This is the accepted format. It has all fields required. The first row should be the field's name. The first row here should be the field's name. We cannot change field names here. Okay? We cannot change the field names. Let us try the first one. Probe expiry here. It is in a wrong format. This is not date format. To change it, we will write it like this. 2021, then the year first, then the month, then the day. Okay, 21st, 3, 2, 1. This is a correct format. I will make it Control Z. Okay, 2021. Month is 3. We can use dash also. Day is 12. This is a correct format. Do all your changes, adjust all dates. After doing the changes, we have to save the file. After doing this step, go to Tools, Import from Excel, change your Excel file here, press Edit, take the correct one. This is the last updated one. then press import. Done. خلاص. The old data will be deleted and the new data will be entered. So don't use this Excel format. Please don't use it. خلاص. But use this one. Okay, this one is this format can be imported, but the other one cannot be imported. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.